What is up, guys? It's a Wednesday evening out here in the shop. I got a little project going on here. If you guys all plow snow, I'm sure you've ran into this problem before. Pull the cable up a little too far, break your winch cable off. This thing was shot anyways because this hook was messed up, so if I'd let it down too far, this hook would just come unhooked from the plow. Couldn't use it, or it'd come up, so I had to tape it. So now I'm at the point where I'm gonna see if we can install that puppy on there. So let's get into it. All you need to do is take these two bolts off. That's the easy part. Oh, there she is. Let's pull some of this out. I'm just going to take the grinder. Make sure this all looks pretty decent. Just going to grind me off a nice spot here. Not quite sure if you can see me there. So what we want to do with this cable is want to unloop a couple of them. Try to do half and half. So what you're going to do is make a new loop with this. Something to that effect. We can always cut some more off of it if we need to. So you want to figure about where this is going to lay. And you want to start loop your cable and it'll fit right back into place. That's a lot better than using a one of them blocks with the nuts on it. I forget what you call it. One thing you want to do usually is wear gloves with this stuff because it is nasty. So that's all there is to making a new loop on there. Now that is going to be as strong as the factory. One thing I always do is take a little bit of tape. It doesn't serve, honestly, it doesn't really serve much purpose, but let's start down this way. Don't ask me why I do it. I do it. One thing, if you got your hands down in there and you don't have gloves on, it does save you from catching on some of that stuff. Honestly, these winch cables can get nasty. Feed that back through your housing. Couple nuts. And that, my boys, is how to make a new winch loop. See how nice that is? I've been dealing with this junk since last year. I know we got some snow coming possibly this weekend, so I wanted to get that taken care of. Maybe we'll be able to get the old skidoo out and do a little snowmobiling, but we'll see what happens. Make sure I turn the key off on that. But yeah, guys, that's how you make a new loop on that. It's pretty simple, fast, quick, and it works. That'll last me, you know. These cables get rusted out a little bit and they tend to snap anyways, but it works pretty good. So that's all I have for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.